In this video, let's install Jenkins, and also we'll learn how to configure Jenkins for first use. First, we need to download the jenkins.war file. It's getting downloaded. Let's wait until it gets downloaded. Once it is downloaded, we have to navigate to the folder where the .war file is downloaded, and then we have to run it there using the command java -jar jenkins.war hyphen hyphen port number is equals to 9090. You can either use port number as 8181. So let's wait until it get downloaded. Yeah, our jenkins.war file is downloaded. Now let's go to command prompt and then run this command. We are going into downloads folder or directory because that is where our .war file is present. We are executing this command java -jar jenkins.war hyphen hyphen http port is equals to 9090. When this gets executed, we can see the password generated, and we can use the password to log in or to get sign up for our Jenkins dashboard. Yeah, here is our password. Let's copy this password. Now we have to go to Chrome, and we have to type http localhost 9090. Yeah, to unlock Jenkins, we have to enter the password that we have copied and paste it here. Continue. Here it is asking us to customize the Jenkins, so it is better to install the suggested plugins, all the suggested plugins, rather than selecting few and then uh, installing those. It is better to install all of the suggested plugins. This will take some time. Let's wait. Here we have got a text box saying that create first user admin. Will enter username, password. Will also enter the email ID. Save and continue. Save and finish. Now a Jenkins is ready. Let's start using Jenkins. Here we have to go to manage Jenkins, and to verify the manage plugins. It is just to verify if all the plugins that are required are installed or no. This can be done by going to manage plugins, and then the plugins. Here we can just check if all of them are successfully installed. Yes. So we'll move to the next step, that is setting up global tool configuration. So inside manage Jenkins, we have to choose the tools, and then we have to configure the path for Git, JDK, Maven, and Gradle. We are giving the name for JDK as Java, and then the path, we are pasting the path where Java is located. For the Git also, we are pasting the same thing is done with Gradle and Maven. We have to copy the map path. I'm sorry, the Gradle path. And then the same thing is done with Maven. Copy this path and paste it in the Jenkins tools configuration. You just need to click apply and then save. This is all for the video, and in this video we have successfully installed Jenkins and configuring the